Happy Sunday! I'm the Supplier, and this is Sunday Bookstack for the week of April 22nd, 2018. So my story this week is about news that I've been hanging on to for a couple of weeks that I wanted to tell you guys, but I also wanted to tell my students before I told you guys because some of them watch my videos. So as you can see from the title, I got a new job, and I'm working with the same school district but not in the same capacity. My official title is English Language Arts Content Specialist, and which means I'll be working with teachers on better implementing curriculum and pedagogy and all of those things. And people keep asking me if I'm excited, and my answer really is not yet. Because what it means is I'm not going to build the same relationships with students that I've built over the last 12 years, and change is hard. But what I am excited about is the prospect of being able to affect change on a different scale than in the classroom. So yay for that. I'm not entirely sure what this is going to mean for my reading life, except that I probably won't be reading as much as I used to because most of my reading happened in class with my students, and I won't have that anymore starting May 7th. So really, change is good, but change is hard, and I guess my question to you guys is, what should I talk about in the upfront of my Sunday book stack if I'm not in the classroom anymore? What would you like to hear me talk about or speak to or pontificate on or whatever? Leave it in the comments. Let me know. So let's start Sunday book stack with a roundup of what I did last week, which wasn't very much. On Tuesday, I posted a top 10 Tuesday of books that I would like to recommend to students that I've read recently, and what was neat about this particular list was that it included books that I would recommend to upper high school that I wouldn't necessarily recommend to my 7th and 8th graders. And then I also did a book blogger hot post on the blog, and both of these I'll link in the description, about how I organize books for review when I actually get around to writing my reviews. Because I do sticky note reviews, they don't always appear here, they mostly appear on the blog because I don't have a lot of time, but unless I'm sitting and waiting for my carpool and doing them then. I think there will actually be sticky note reviews posted at least on the blog this week, if not here on YouTube as well. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I said last week I was going to read The Stars Beneath Our Feet. But the bells took me a little bit longer than I thought because it's pretty long, and I didn't read in front of my students at all because I was testing last week, so I didn't get to this one, so this is making a repeat appearance on my book stack for this week. I am also doing Tyler Johnson Was Here by J. Coles. This is one of the books that's in my dissertation book stack. I have audio for this as well, so I'll be doing most of this one on audio in my commute to and from work. So The Stars Beneath Our Feet is about a boy who is dealing with a lot of adult things, including grieving the death of his older brother. Wow, lots of death this week. Tyler Johnson Was Here is about a kid trying to figure out what happened to his brother after an altercation with law enforcement. So it's a bit of a heavy week in books for me. What are you reading this week? Leave it in the comments and I'll see you there soon. Until then, I am the Supplier wishing you happy reading. Don't forget to be awesome. Hello! Welcome to the End Screen, wherein I tell you all about the places you can find me on the internet. My website is thebooksupplier.com, and you can find me at the Book Supplier at all of those places listed up in the corner, and I really hope I'm pointing in the right direction. Also, you can subscribe to the channel down here in this corner, and below you can leave comments. I like talking to people on the internet. Leave comments. Okay, I'm actually gonna get out of here now.